Today we're going to go ahead and capture an invoice, extract the line items, and then we'll show you how we push that directly into QuickBooks. We're going to start off with going to the capture import process in PSIcapture. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and select the profile, which scan export to QuickBooks. And we're going to go ahead and select the images off the hard drive. You can also use a scanner directly connected to the workstation to capture in those invoices, as well as you can automate the process to monitor a folder if you have lots of invoices coming from email. We're going to go ahead and select the two files here, click Start Capture. And here you'll see we have two invoices, one for A Chung Limited and one for Holly Heating and Electric. I'm going to go ahead and close the batch and move it to the next step, which is index validation. And in index validation, it's going to go ahead and attempt to identify the vendor and also extract the line items on the invoice. So you see here we found A Chung Limited. If we go to the next field here, it extracted the date and then the invoice number. We'll take a look at the line item here. It picked up 5 of cabinets. And if we go to the next record here, you'll see that it's picking up the line item for 10 of cabinet pulls. Go ahead and take a look at the next invoice. It's Holly Heating and Electric. And you can see here it's picking up the quantity of 22 for fluorescent ceiling lighting. The data looks correct, so we're going to go ahead and close the batch at this point. The next step, it will actually export and push in the two invoices with the line item data into QuickBooks. Okay, so it migrated the data into QuickBooks. Let's go take a look at QuickBooks now. And as you see here, we go to our QuickBooks A Chung Limited. There's an invoice here. And this is the invoice that we actually imported in, extracted the data, and then exported into QuickBooks. And one for Holly Electric. Okay, this concludes the presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.